Hey you guys, in today's video, before everybody start asking questions, yes, I said yes in Vegas. So he proposed to me in Vegas. If you want an engagement / Vegas story time, like a get ready with me kind of style maybe, definitely let me know and I'll do it. Yes, I said yes. I'm gonna be a bride. I'm gonna get married to the most perfect person in the world. Yep, that's me. But in today's video, we will be testing out Maybelline 4-in-1 Glow makeup. I already like screwed them up because of the fact that I didn't want y'all to have to listen to that the whole time, even though it's probably ASMR satisfying. I don't know. Some people like it, some people don't, so I just chose not to do it. So yeah, today we're gonna be doing that. But first, subscribe to the button down below and don't forget to like this video. At any point in the video, like this video and give this a thumbs. Just said that. Hit the bell. Hit the bell. But okay, we're gonna be trying this, and I'm very scared because of the fact that I do not like full coverage foundation. I mean, I do not like light coverage foundation. Like, I really don't. They do have a primer with it, but I couldn't find it, and I don't know why they put a primer with this. It's like the Whip Instant Age Rewind primer, I think it is, or 4-in-1 primer or something like that. But it says that this is a primer on the bottle, so I don't understand why they released a primer at the same time they released this. I don't know. But they have 5 shades, and they're self-adjusting. And yeah, I got all 5 shades, but I did give some away because I don't need 5 shades. Why would I need 5 shades? But I'm really nervous about this because of the fact that I don't like light coverage foundation at all. But we're gonna try it today. But I'm gonna go ahead and conceal this because I feel like this will make me like it even less. So we're gonna conceal it. It's just the e.l.f. Camo Concealer. I'm gonna conceal those two because those are very abnormal for me to have because they were like sores. These are normal. All this is normal. So we're gonna try to cover up my normal breakout stuff with this. So yeah, they're $12 at Ulta, $12.99 at Ulta, and they come in 5 shades. They're self-adjusting, and it says do not wet the applicator. If you need to get excess product off, just wipe it off with a dry tissue. Do not wet it. So yeah, but it's 4-in-1 because it primes, conceals, highlights, and is a BB cream. So yeah, don't think I'm gonna like this too much, but we will try. We're down to try stuff, you know. Just gotta conceal this and right there because those were like, y'all, they were bad. I think I broke out because there was a mask mandate in Vegas. I think the mask made me break out right here because it happened like 2 days after we got there. So yeah, there we go. But let's go ahead and get this on my face. I'm gonna mix these 2 shades together because I did swatch them and see like what colors they were, and this one's too light, this one's too dark, and there's no in between with this. There's no middle shade right here, which pisses me off a little bit. So we're gonna have to do that. I can say in the packaging you can definitely see the glitter. Like, I will show you this deep one. Like in the deep ones you definitely can see the glitter. Like, there's a lot of like shimmer in there, which scares me, but it's beautiful in the packaging, don't get me wrong. But yeah, I swear Age Rewind stuff is like so cute. But okay, let's go ahead and apply this. I did prime this half of my face with the Urban Decay All Nighter and the Laura Mercier Acting Primer, just so I can see if that helps out any at all. Don't know if it will. I feel like I have a hair on my nose. I guess I don't. I guess it just itched. Okay, so we're gonna go in with this. I don't know why I'm spraying it up more. There we go. So this is so orange. Like, it might look like it's my shade. I might just try this one. I felt like this was too dark, but it is self-adjusting. Maybe it will. Let's just go all over my face with this shade first. It says concealer, so I'm putting it under my eyes. This kind of feels good though, I'm not gonna lie. I can say I like that it's not messy. I appreciate that. Don't mind my hair, y'all. I'm gonna take it out. I just been like, I got back, I rested because I had to adjust to a 3-hour time change again. And yeah, so, and then I had to work, so yeah. But let's blend this out with a sponge. This is a little bit too dark. I feel like I look like orange. Like, I don't feel comfortable in this shade, so I probably will add some on top of it. I can say first off, I don't like how shiny this is. This is like too much glow for all of my face. I can say that 100%. Way too much glow front of my face. I'm trying to blend it into my eyebrows because I was dumb and used a light concealer right there. I don't know why I would do that because I'll never do that. So I feel, right off bat, I feel like this is for people with like perfect skin because I can still see everything and it's kind of showing too much. Ooh, I just felt like I didn't need to blend out right there, huh? This shade is really too dark. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a second layer, but I'm gonna use this. This is the shade Light. I wish there was like a light beige or a medium beige or something, not just straight to medium. That kind of made me irritate a little bit. So we're going to blend this over. I really don't like how dark my skin is right now. So I'm not that dark. I know sometimes on camera it does look like I'm dark, but it's just the light, how the light's falling on my skin. So, is it buildable? Okay, so this cheek is actually looking okay. I still don't like how wet it looks. I mean, this is Glow Perfector. I mean, you glow. You really glow. It's not my preference, but it's pretty. Do I like the light coverage? No, it's not me at all. But mixing these two shades together definitely helped out a bunch. How did my skin texture look? My skin texture looks awful. It looked awful. Okay, so I'm gonna actually put some concealer under my eyes because I have really dark circles and I can't do it. I can't not do it. So I'm gonna put some concealer down under my eyes because I need it, like, to feel okay. Because I feel like I just put eyeshadow down there, but I didn't. Okay, so I'm actually just doing under eye concealer. That looks a lot better. Okay, if you just pop on some concealer, I feel less looking like I'm a crackhead. If you just apply some concealer, I feel like less looking like I cried for like 27 hours last night, even though there's not 27 hours in the day. But like, that's how I looked. So yeah, the concealer under the eyes definitely helps me feel better about it. Even though it's supposed to be concealer, I got some in my eye. No, I don't. Was I imagining that? It's gone. But yeah, that definitely helped. I'm gonna put some on my nose right here because my nose just breaks apart really easily. Okay, so let me set it. Let's set it together. We're gonna set it. It's right in front of my face, you guys. So this is Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder in the shade Honey. And let's set under our eyes first. Ooh, let's blend out them creases first. Oh, I got setting powder on my eyelashes. Great. Looks so attractive. Oh, hold on. Wait a second. I can't wait to set the rest of my face because if that's how it looks, that ain't bad. Okay. This is the Derma E sponge, by the way. It's kind of hard, but I actually like how it applies it. It's just really hard, but it's really smooth. It smooths out everything. I'm really setting the foundation a lot. Okay, I have an opinion. Okay, so it grabs on. I know why I'm taking forever to set my face now. It grabs onto setting powder heavy. Okay, so I'm gonna wait to give my opinion because I'm gonna apply the rest of my makeup and then I'll get back to you guys. Okay, bye. Okay, you guys. So I have an opinion. This actually got some pretty good coverage on it. I didn't highlight my forehead. I did highlight my cheek, but I didn't highlight my forehead, and the glow is coming through my forehead. I got an air bubble in my chest. But yeah, I actually really like it. The coverage is great for it to be light coverage. I was actually kind of scared of that, not gonna lie, but the coverage is great. I am satisfied with it, and my skin looks really smooth. I like how it feels like. It feels like there's nothing on my face. But yeah, let me know in the comments down below if you tried this, and yeah, I will link a pinned comment to tell you, 1, how my sister likes it, and 2, if it like starts to crease or anything. I've been talking and wearing this for about like 2 hours now, and no creasing and no like breaking apart, no oil, like nothing so far. But I'm gonna leave this on for a little bit, and yeah, I'll leave a pinned comment on how that went in the comments down below. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video.